In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a coming soon or a maintenance template, and we're going to do that using the free version of Elementor. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is create a template that's going to become your coming soon or maintenance page. So the first thing we're going to do is hover over the templates link here and go down to add new. I'm going to select page as the type of template that we're going to create, and you can give it a name. Obviously you want to call it coming soon or maintenance or whatever it is that you're creating at the moment. I'm going to say coming soon page, and you can see we've now got this space here, which is our editing space. It's still showing Michelle's site, which is the site title up here, and this is the tagline. And we've got a few things down here as well. And we want to be able to get rid of all of those things and just start with a completely blank page. So to do that, we're going to go to the page settings. You'll find that under the little settings cog icon here. So we're going to click on that one. And what we want to do is change the page layout from default down to Elementor canvas. When it refreshes, you'll see everything has gone, and now we've just got this space here, which is where we can start editing. I'm not going to show you how to edit anything right now. We're going to do that in the next video. So right now we're just going to click on the publish button, and that has created our template. So what we want to do now is return to the WordPress dashboard. So we're going to click on this icon up here and click exit to WordPress. Before we set the template as our coming soon or maintenance page, I want to just show you what the website looks like, because we haven't actually made any changes to the front end of our website just yet. So if I click on Michelle's site here, that's going to take us to the front end so we can have a look at what's happening there. So as you can see, we've still got the site name, tagline, and these other things happening down the bottom, which we don't want. We want our blank coming soon or maintenance template to be showing here. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard, come down to Elementor and click on Tools. Then we're going to come over to Maintenance Mode, and at the moment you can see that it's disabled. So you're going to click on the drop down and select either Coming Soon or Maintenance Mode. I'm going to click on the Coming Soon option, and we're going to choose who can access the back end of the website when the Coming Soon is activated. We're going to leave that as logged in users because we don't want everybody to be able to see the back end and what's going on. And now we're going to choose a template. Click on the drop-down menu and select the page that you just created or the template that you just created, and click Save Changes. So what you'll notice is that the maintenance mode is showing us that it's turned on. And what that means is if you were not logged in to the back end of your website and you go to your website's homepage, you're going to see that page that we just created, the template page. So what I'm going to do quickly is log out and show you what that would look like. So we should see a blank page when I log out and go to the home page of my website. There you go. We've got a blank page, which is exactly what I was expecting to see. So what I'm going to do is now log back into my website so that I'm ready to edit my template and get something happening on that page, which I'm going to show you in the next video.